I'm going to show you a demo that how my movement SDK working with the Locomotion. S3 is not recording the audio, so I don't know what's the reason. So let me show you that. Here you can see we are in the scene. Currently I'm going to show you that how my Locomotion system is working. So here you can see we are able to move and our animation is also working. When we want to jump, so we are able to jump. So just click on the button. So I think that is the B button or A button. So we are able to just jump on this. So let's jump into the Unity and let's see how we can do the thing. In last tutorial we learned that how we can do the full body tracking. So as I show you the examples, we are going to learn that how we can do the locomotion thing. So in last tutorial we just performed the mirror thing, and here is the avatar. So make sure that you have given the controller, that is the Locomotion controller. Basically these controllers Meta have used from the Mixamo. So you can go on the ground. Here you can see these are the tree and here are all the animations. So basically they are using from the Mixamo. They're also using the character from the Mixamo. Make sure you have given this Locomotion controller, and here is we have building blocks. So everything is just last time, and here is two way to do. Just you can create everything manually one by one, but that is much more complicated. So I'm going to share with you a simplest thing. What is the simplest thing? So basically you have to go in the Meta Movement samples, and in samples here is the scene, and in scene you will get the movement Locomotion. So just click here, and here if you will observe this thing, because I have learned everything from here. Everyone will learn from here because they have sourced from the samples. So basically what we need, so we have the character, so we don't need this one. We need one thing from the character, that is the rig. Inside the rig there are so many game objects and there are component have been added. You can copy this thing, and their sequence play a very important role. So you have to also remember that. Remember, animated body pose will be on top, then retargeting, then body apply, then partial replay, that will be in the last. You have to copy this thing also. I have already copy and paste in my rig. First thing you have to do this thing, and the second thing, this is our avatar. So I will explain in my scene. So on the character you have to add the animator hooks, and next thing will be your player controller. So player controller you can add manually, means you can create one game object, then add capsule collider. Here you can see this is the capsule collider. Here is the rigid body, and here is the movement SDK Locomotion. Perform the rotation as well as movement, everything manually. Here you can see to identify the legs. In this there are so many childs which help us to follow the Locomotion, to retargeting things, to control the player, to jump, or so many stuff. So basically we need this thing. So just copy this thing and make sure that you have already copied the rig thing. I have already told you. So this is the second thing, that is the first thing. So first thing I have already done, I will show you in my scene. So just copy this thing and get back to your scene. Here is our, and here we have to just paste. This is the player controller. Your position should be the 0 0. If it is not, so you have to make position 0 0, otherwise it will not work. We got everything. Next thing you have to just create the player. Here you can see position is not 0 0, so you have to just reset this one. Here you can do the child player, that is the player controller, and do the same thing with the camera rig. So make sure everything is reset 0. Here is the avatar. What we need, we have to create another game object, that is the character, and on character we have to make the child avatar. So here is the avatar child. On character you have to add, that is the animator hooks. So here is the animator hooks. So just click and everything will work here. And after this, make sure on the avatar you have copy from there, and you have attached this thing, that is the remember animated body. You can create here also. Basically you have to just take your animator here. So you have to assign the reference here. You can add this script, or you can just copy from the sample. And this is the deformation. So basically you have to also again assign the avatar. You can copy and add directly here. And this is the partial. So I'm saying two things, that just you can copy from the sample, or you can just add manually. But adding manually, that will take much more time and you can miss any reference. Copy from there. Here you can see that is the reference from remember, and here is the apply. So here we are also passing the avatar. Remember that we are passing avatar, not the character. There is two different thing. So on the character we have added the animator hooks, on the avatar we have added the animator. So now we have do on the character. Next thing we have to go on the player controller. So on the player controller, when you will scroll down, so here is the missing camera rig. Basically you have to pass the camera rig on the movement. Whenever our rig have the controller to move, so it will move. And here is the missing object, that is the character controller. So you have to assign the character controller. So assign the character controller, and here is the input. So just go on the animator, and here you have to choose input horizontal vertical. So that will be, and the drawback of it, when you will do here, so it will not come. So you have to do the save and click anywhere, and when you will come back again, so here you will able to see the reference. So that is the wrong with the Unity and Meta. Okay, so now everything have been set up. Here we don't need required, so we are need here, that is the required hips. The avatar you can see that is the hips, so just assign the hips, and here is the, we have to assign the tracking toes. So you can go in the left or right and just open this one, and in the last you will get the toe base. So just open this one too, and you need the int. Go in the player controller, and here you have to pass the tracking toes. So that is, you can pass left or right. Now everything have been set up on the on this, that is the sphere collider stays below the hips. Everything have been done. So now you have to open this game object. Here you are able to see, so these are the game object basically you can create, and you can add this component. Here what we need, that is the follow me. Here we need the OVR. So where is the OVR? Is the OVR. So just add this one and follow the locomotion. So basically we have to add the character. So just add the character here. Here the locomotion. So everything have been added on the controllers. So here you can see that most of thing is added. You have to not do that much thing. So basically these are the bindings, like we want to jump, so for every input you have to create like jumping rigid body. So we have added the jumping rigid body, and on the controllers we are assigned there, and here we are passing the method that will help us to jump. Here is the jump input. Okay, so you can explore one by one by going here. Here you can see user input. So that is much more complicated if you are going to do one by one yourself, because that takes that very much time. Just I am doing the copy and paste so that you can understand, but I have explored one by one. So that is the control for movement thing have been set up. So just check once that every reference is matched whatever you have copy from there. So here we are missing something, that is the animation constant blender we are missing, that is the partially ripply animated body pose. So here is the thing, just you have to pass here also. Basically it help us to just make a better transition. So here you have to go on the player constant, and that is the choose weight, and same you have to do here. So body constant weight, and here you can see it is currently show the no function. So you have to do Control S, and you have to click somewhere else. Now whenever you will come back, so here you are able to, so make sure that every reference is there, and you can delete this one because that is showing the UI thing. So you don't need this one, you can just turn off. When it means that whenever you will fall down from this area, so it will come back on this area. So if you need, so you can turn on, otherwise you can just turn off. Make sure that every reference is there. And one thing we are missing, that is the on the character you have to go on the avatar, because if you are not going to do this, so your OVR rig and your character will be get separated. On the avatar we are missing one thing, that is the skeleton process aggregator. Here is the very important thing, whenever you will miss, so your avatar, your OVR ring will be separated. So here just you have to click here, then what you have to do, you have to just copy the name from here. So just copy name and go on the avatar, and here you have to just give the name, and here is the processor. So basically you have to choose, that is the bones follow locomotion with static character. So just choose this one, and it should be run in start. So basically you have to change the sequencing to, so you have to just do it is on the top. So now you can see that is the bone on the start. Control S and run, so everything will work, and you can run and do the things that will work perfectly. And if you want to check that if you are doing everything is okay, so you can go again and see the locomotion. So I'm just confused about one thing, so let me check. That is the locomotion. So here they have also added the partial, so I'm okay, and make sure that this is in right sequence. So if you have not do, so in my scene you can see that I have copied this thing, so everything is there. You can add component wise also. So that's it for today tutorial. Everything have been set up properly. You can run in your Oculus Quest 3 or 2 or your pro version. So let me know that how it is working, and thanks for watching. If you want to support me, so just support on Patreon page or give me thanks. And if you want to ask anything, so just let me know in the comment box. So bye bye, take care. And currently mirror avatar will also work because we have not changed anything, so don't worry about anything. So see you in next video. Bye bye, take care.